First, we need to change the language. How to change the language? First, we need to click this button and then click there. We will see the language and choose the language which you want and click OK. And then close this page. We need to re-enter again as an administrator. And the password is 42, it means 2222. And you will see this page in English. When you enter this page, we need to check the welding hand. We can click this button to check the laser welding hand. It will show a round circle. And then click laser. It will shoot out laser when we click it. We need to check the laser source whether running normal. We can click below. We will listen a voice. The air will coming out. We need to use nitrogen gas or argon gas. When we click well, the well will come out. We need to keep the well above the right circle. Okay, next step we need to draw. When we complete all steps, click this button. We can see the drawing model. We can click the direction keys. Left, right, up and down. Show as video. And also if you need the rotary devices, so we can click A refers to rotary devices. Then when we click this button, it will form a straight line according the move trajectory. It will in working model, and when we click start, the laser machine will work normal. That is drawing kitchen. There is one more important step here before we draw the picture. picture is to find the correct focal length. We can operate the direction keys to move the welding hand and check the display if it is clearest. When the display is the clearest, which means the correct focal length, we can click up, down. We can see the display become more and more clear. Now we can see the surface. We need to click laser before we see the surface. We need to ensure the green crosses in the middle of the shooting position, and also we need to ensure the green crosses left to the white text. We can adjust the X-Y axis to adjust the green across, to let the green across overlap the white crosses. Up, down, left, and right to adjust the green across. And we need to ensure the green cross in the middle of the display. And you also can find the green crosses to click this button. When we finish to find the focal distance, we can start work now. As before, we need to draw a picture. Click this button. Control the direction. Click left, right, up and down, or front or back, and then we'll click line wheel for straight line. Click this button to complete the drawing. So for now we can work. When you click start button, the laser will shoot out. Click this start button, the laser machine will working right now. We can see the welding shape through display. As video.